Hi guys, welcome to the news. Today, clouds early, snow at midnight will be heavy, maybe strong gusty winds, about 25 to 30 miles per hour, maybe 40 gusts over 40, and then local windy with snow, heavy at times, perhaps some blizzard conditions, maybe some mixing rain until we get if rain mixes to snow. That means we're gonna have 7 to 12 inches. If we got a lot of snow, you will get 12 to 8 inches of rain. If you rain attack to snow, you will get 7 to 12 inches of snow. And that is how you forecast today. Oh my god. They're preparing to get a snowstorm every day and every time. After the forecast continues, as you see the snowcast, it's gonna be a snowy day. It's gonna move to Long Island, and that's how to do it.
It's so unfair. I have Roger making my life a misery on one side and Mandy attacking me from the other. And I'm the only one who seems to get blamed for anything.
Until they get there. The snow is going to attach to the Long Island. They're preparing to get the winds were picking up speeding. They're getting it over 20, perhaps 40 or maybe 50. And there it comes. The heavy snow. It's gonna be here. It's gonna be really heavy at times. And then the rain and the snow tapers off early with some heavy rain. Heavy dusty rain. And some winds getting up as 50 to an hour, maybe 60. They're almost close to 50. Now let's see the snow cover today. We got 3 to 5 inches of rain. Now we're gonna have 12 to 18 inches of rain, maybe 21 or 22 inches of snow. Here we go. Clouds early, snow really heavy at times, maybe some blizzard conditions. Lows near 25 and heavy rain and strong winds, maybe a blizzard. It's for 40 miles per hour, maybe 45. It's gonna be the strongest winds yet. But let's look at your hyperlocal forecast. Tuesday, it's gonna be the heavy snow. It's gonna be almost closer to 50 miles per hour. Wednesday, getting a bunch of snow. May is International Lemonade Day. I needed International Soup Day. Soup and Grilled Cheese Day. Thursday, it's gonna be frigid outside, cold and really cold. The winds are feeling frosting. Frost. Friday, they're going. Stay on Friday. Rain is a few rain, snow, showers early on Saturday and Monday, and it's rain starting on Monday morning. Local forecast, we're coming back.